5 amazing benefits of lupine seeds that will make you love it even more. Welcome to Lady Style Channel. Today, we will share with you 5 amazing benefits of lupine seeds. It will make you love it more. 1. Rich in protein. Lupine is a rich source of vegetable protein, which makes it an ideal meal for vegetarians. For people who suffer from lactose intolerance. 2. Promotes digestive health. Lupine contains dietary fiber, which helps improve digestive health and combat constipation. 3. Improves heart functions. Lupine helps reduce harmful cholesterol levels, improving heart functions. 4. Promotes bone health. Lupine is rich in calcium, which helps strengthen bones, preventing osteoporosis. 5. Fights free radicals. Lupine contains antioxidants, which fights free radicals. It maintains overall body health. But, it is important to note that excessive consumption of lupine seeds, it may cause some side effects, such as bloating and gas. Therefore, it is recommended to consume it in moderation. Do you like lupine seeds? Share with us in the comments. What are your favorite benefits? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive more videos useful and fun. Thank you for watching.